All right, let's create an elevator pitch so we can quickly communicate the value of our product idea to potential customers, investors, and business partners. We're going to simply ask ChatGPT to create an elevator pitch based on the business plan. Once we have our pitch, we'll copy the text and then make a video of it. We'll open up Syntheses and create a new AI Humans project. Then, we paste our text into the text field. You might need to spread your text across several different frames if the text is too long for a single frame or you want to have different backgrounds. You can add a frame over here. Once your text is in place, you can choose an avatar to speak your words. There are many different voices to choose from. Experiment until you find one you like. Before you can generate a video, you need to preview the script. Once you're happy with the text, save your project. For each slide, you can add different backgrounds. This program comes with a few on board, or you can upload your own. You can add text overlay if you want to add more information, like contact info. You can also add some different shapes, like arrows and call-out boxes, and even a soundtrack. You can upload your own or choose from the available options. You can also add transitions between your slides and additional images. There are also a few templates provided if you want to start from there.